Hello guys, this is Rohit. Today I'm going to explain about the vehicle accident detection system using IoT. Abstract. Vehicle accident detection using IoT is an innovative project which helps to save a person who met with an accident. This system provides the alert notifications to emergency services such as hospitals, police departments, etc. For example, imagine the emergency notification is sent to hospitals. Then, when a person is met with an accident and the alert message went to the goes to the hospitals, then they might have a quick time to respond to the accident so that hospital who are in the hospital doctors they might pick an ambulance and go to the person who was met with an accident to rescue him. And this is also same goes to the police department. When the emergency notification of the accident is get on the police department, then the police just take an action on the accident and they might report a file as quick as possible. The project significance is in improving traffic management and also enhancing vehicle safety. There are some frequent places where frequent places where accident occurs regularly, such as crossing turns and highways, etc. And the keywords are IoT devices, Node MCU, IR sensors, LDR, GPS, accelerometer, so on. The objective aim of the project is to build an IoT device that helps to detect vehicle accident and it also sends the GPS location of the vehicle to the mobile app. The scope of the project is to determine when the accident has occurred and also sends the GPS location of the accident where the accident is occurred. And it also can be like we can also help uh, the person who met with an accident by putting a heartbeat sensor by detecting the heartbeat where the person is dead or not. Introduction. Nowadays, there are many road accidents occurred, like millions of people losing their lives and suffering with severe injuries by the accidents. Vehicle accidents using IoT makes the perfect solution for these problems. So we can build an IoT device to protect the who met with an accident, and we can rescue them easily by getting the location of the accidents of the persons. Literature review. Chen Wai proposes a novel IoT-based system that aims to provide drivers with real-time traffic information and accident alerts through using a smartphone app. CC Van also proposed IoT device based system that using machine learning, also algorithm to detect accidents. Manuja, she's also proposed a traffic congestion arise due to vehicle failure due to accident in a no network area. Methodologies. There are two modules in this, and the module one is sensor based methodology, and module two is Wi-Fi based. In sensor based, we're gonna use sensors like IR sensors, accelerometers, GPS modules, etc. The IR sensors detects the information of the any person or vehicle goes through the IR sensor, and the accelerometer makes sure the if the axis gets changes, then the alert will be transformed through the buzzer. And the GPS modules are like when the accident is occurred, then it sends the location of the accident where the accident is happened through the messages, text messages to the mobile. And the Wi-Fi based is like uh, which is on the node MCU. When we connect input to the node MCU, then the Wi-Fi will be activated, and we have to connect Wi-Fi with a mobile hotspot so that the device is connected in between the hotspot and the mobile. So that when the vehicle is met with an accident, then the information will be sent to the send it to that mobile as quick as possible, so that they can take a quick action on the accident, so that the person might be alive sometimes. Standards and policies are embedded C and Node MCU. We are using embedded C in the coding, and also the C standard used embedded C or C89 or 90. The Node MCU is an open source device which is a firmware comes with the ESP8266 development board, which is used in this project. Implementation has different keys which is involved in this project. The first one is hardware installation. The hardware installation is making sure that all the sensors and the components which are available in this project has to be installed on the project. And the data collection is done by the sensors by collecting the information which is sensed by the sensors. Data analyzation. This is after the collection of the data from the sensors, and this will be analyzed by the data analyst, and then it sends, if it detects something, then it sends alert to the mobile application which is user interface. And it if it doesn't happen anything, then we have to test again and validate again. Architecture diagram. We have to give the power supply first to the node MCU, and to the node MCU we have to connect with all the other components like IO sensor, LDR, LCD, GPS module, accelerometer, everything. So that if this is the main source of this project. So if something happens, this sends uh, IO sensor detects some information and sends to the node MCU, and node MCU goes like to the control room when the accident is occurred. Data flow diagram. Input is first given. This is the first stage, and the second stage will be the node MCU and the sensors. If after this we will get the power source from node MCU and the sensors gets the detection, there will be visual communication in between node MCU and the sensors, and there will be at the level 0 and comes with the output or GPS location which is sent to the mobile when the accident is happened. Sequence diagram. The user starts the driving and he gets accelerated and he moves forward, and if something happens, then it sends the person's location, and also it responds to the person location if something happens. If doesn't happens, then it's like a normal thing. Collaboration diagram. uh, when the accelerometer gets started, the vehicle gets moving, there will be a movement, and the accident detection module detects whether the accident is happened or not. If the accident is occurred, then the signal sends through via GPS to the mobile, and the location will be sent to the persons which you have put in the mobile application. And there will be testing we've done, like we have to test every single component which is identified in the units, and we have to develop the test cases for this project, and we have to execute the test cases. Test cases like imagine there was a road, and we've put some sensors on the edges of the road. If the vehicle comes in between the sensors, then there will be, we can say that the accident, it is detected. If the vehicle comes away from the sensors, it says there will be no vehicle has been detected. Like this, these are all the test cases we've done, and we have to fix the defects if it doesn't work as we expected, and we have to repeat the process and integrate the units. This is the input which is given through the B-type cable to the node MCU, and the output will be, if the accident detects, it says yes, and they'll send latitude and longitude, to the mobile phone. When we click the link, there will be GPS location shows where the accident is happened. The conclusion is uh, we can save lives by by reducing emergency responses times and providing accurate and timely information. It can also be integrated with other IoT based systems for enhancing functionalities and scalability. The project provides an excellent opportunity to explore and apply IoT technology in a critical area. So this is ultimately helping to save the person's life and reducing impact of the accident on the regular basis, so that they can be drive safely and there will be no accident is occurred. The future enhancements. In future, we can do vehicle to vehicle communication. Like if there was a vehicle in front of you, then imagine that the another vehicle is so close to you. Then there will be a vehicle mutual communication that you are too close to the another vehicle, so that you can make sure to go little forward. The predictive analytics is like it predicts the accident, whether the accident is occurred or not, including the weather, traffic, and driver's behavior, etc. And edge computing, it can improve of IoT based accident detection systems. This can reduce latency and response time when the accident is happened. These are the web links which I have referred, and these are the references I've took and inspired by these references, and I've did the project. This is the poster. Now I'm gonna show my project which I've took the reference from these people. This is node MCU, and we have to give the input to the node MCU, and this is the Wi-Fi module which is attached to the node MCU, and this is the buzzer, and this is the switch. Imagine this is the ignition of the vehicle, and this is the motor, and imagine this is as a vehicle vehicle motor, and this is the GPS module, and this is the accelerometer, and this is LDR. These are the IR sensors, and this is the LEDs. So we have to turn now. Just on the project, and we have to connect to the hotspot, which is Wi-Fi. Now I just connected to the Wi-Fi module, and now I'm starting ignition here, so that vehicle gets started. You can see the motor is running. So now the accelerometer detects when the changes of axis of the vehicle, then the accident will be detected. And then you have to open the app, which shows the interface like this, and now there will be it shows that there is no accident is detected, and now you can see this plank, and imagine the vehicle rolled, and the accident will be detected, and the buzzer will rang, and it shows the in app it shows accident is detected or not, and the buzzer will be ringing like this, and there will be a text message whether the accident is occurred or not. When you click the message, it shows the actual location of the way accident is happened. Accident is detected.